Hi, I'm Leah Rahael Girma, and this is Helicopter. I really want to know why you act like a cop, always in my space when it's already hot. I can bet you've been told get a hobby a lot, but you're still in my face. Helicopter, nonstop. Why do I feel your breath? This love might cause a death. A helicopter, a helicopter, a helicopter, a helicopter, no, 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 you and me. Do you know why my phone is on silent today? Because I heard your ringtone in my only off day. As I turned it back on, almost started to rage, realized I'd outgrown you. So now we must break. Why do I feel your breath? This love might cause a death. A helicopter, a helicopter, a helicopter, a helicopter, no, 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 you and me. Na, son, can be run. I'm taking away your jurisdiction, cause you are clearly in violation. Evacuation, cancellation, termination, nullification. Why do I feel your breath? This love might cause a death, a death. Dun, 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 dun. A helicopter, a helicopter, a helicopter, a helicopter, no, 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 you and me. A helicopter, a helicopter, a helicopter, a helicopter, no, you and me. Thank you for watching. That was Helicopter by Leah Rahael Girma.